Today, we're going in's largest matchstick factories to discover how millions of matches single day, ready for homes around the world. Along the way, you'll learn the engineering behind modern match production, the science that makes safety matches work, and how today's factories balance high-speed manufacturing with responsible forest management. You'll also discover surprising facts, how billions of matches are manufactured every year, and the innovations helping reduce waste.
And
If you enjoy discovering how everyday products are made, subscribe and join us for more behind-the-scenes factory documentary. The forest. Every matchstick starts its life here. Modern factories depend on carefully managed forests to help ensure a long-term supply of wood while supporting healthy ecosystems. Not every tree becomes a matchstick. Manufacturers prefer straight, uniform timber because it produces smooth wooden splints that are less likely to break during high-speed manufacturing. Modern logging is highly engineered. Advanced harvesting machines can cut, trim, and prepare a tree in under a minute, while maximizing usable wood and reducing unnecessary waste. Once prepared, the timber begins its journey to the factory. A large manufacturing plant may receive hundreds of truckloads of wood each week. Responsible forestry doesn't end with harvesting. In many managed forests, new trees are planted to replace those that were removed, helping the timber supplies and supporting long-term forest health. From forest to factory, every shipment is the first step. These logs will become millions of matchsticks through the fastest wood processing systems. After hours on the road, the timber finally reaches one of the largest matchstick factories in the world, where millions of matches begin taking shape every single day. Every stage is carefully synchronized. Thousands of moving parts work together so the factory can transform raw timber into millions of uniform matchsticks with remarkable precision. Instead of cutting the log into small pieces, the factory peels it like an enormous roll of paper. This produces a continuous sheet of wood while minimizing waste and preserving the natural grain. Every strip must be almost identical. Even the smallest variation can affect how a match burns, which is why modern cutting systems are measured to. Drying is one of the most important stages. If the wood contains too much moisture, the finished match may not ignite reliably or could Before the match heads can be added, every wooden splint must be perfectly aligned. These metal frames allow thousands of match. At this stage, each wooden splint receives its first protective coating. This layer helps the wood for the following manufacturing steps and improves consistency across millions of matchsticks. Modern factories rely on automated inspection systems. Even small imperfections can be detected.
Drying between each coating stage is essential. It allows every layer to harden evenly before the next step, helping maintain consistent quality throughout the production process.
By this point, each matchstick has passed through multiple quality control stages, is uniform, reliable, and ready for the next step, assembly into matchboxes. After passing every quality check, the finished matchsticks are carefully loaded to individual matchboxes. Precision automation ensures every box receives the correct number of matches. The striking surface is manufactured separately from the match heads. This safety design helps ensure the matches ignite only when Every box is inspected before leaving the production line. Automated vision systems help detect defects that would be almost impossible to spot. Every match begins with a tree, which is why responsible forestry is so important, as older ones are harvested, helping maintain a renewable supply of timber. Matchbox is an extraordinary combination of forestry, engineering, automation, and quality control, turning raw wood into a reliable, everyday product. From a carefully managed forest to a finished box, ready for everyday use, every matchstick represents a remarkable journey of craftsmanship.
Thanks for joining us on this journey inside one of the world's most fascinating manufacturing processes. If you enjoyed discovering how everyday products are made, we'll see you in the next episode.